Dairy farm home with a milking barn on 2.37 acres, built as the first homestead in 1940, plus lots 9 and 10 totals 15.46 acres. Home needs some flooring, vents added, a roof and more. See attached FHA renovation loan that provides 135% of appraised value. Only after the milk barn is cleaned, debris removed and lot 9 and 10 are sold, the home will be listed as lot 6 only if not sold with extra acreage.Awesome. Acreage was a 48.86 acre dairy farm with frontage on John Clark Road and Schanbacher Road. Just south of the Harrison County Fairgrounds, site of the Gulf Coast Winter Classics, Soccer Complex, and County Farm. Also being offered is lot 6 farm home, lot 8 log home and land lots 3, 9 and 10 that total 21.05 acres not yet sold or pending as MLS 4,059,233, lot 8 log home and lots 9 and 10 equals 15.68 acres as MLS 4,063,872, lot 8 log home and lot 10 equals 9.09 acres as MLS 4,063,889, lot 6 farm home and lots 10 equals 8.87 acres as MLS 4,063,891, lots 9 and 10 equals 13.09 acres as MLS 4,059,665, lot 8 log home as MLS 4,060,979 and lot 3 equals 3 acres as 4,059,234. All subject to county approval and surveyor minor adjustments. Log home has a tenant with lease until December 31, 2024. See attached proposed plat. Taxes to be determined. Make your offer today.